nyitaniri waku ni jitagwo Irimwa Wanjiru nake mutwathiriri na njira ya ciiko etagwo Wambui Wagaku nikio gabiru weekend thaa imwe na tukiambiriria munini wa mutongoria wa bũrũri Dagita mundu gwitwo Professor Kithure Kindiki na nyitani naye tikia makanitha matiganite kuria kaunti ya Kericho mwena wa Maemba Sigo8 na akere hindi ya igongona riu Kindiki ni orite muingi na makiria aria mari ihenya-ini ria gutwara arutwo mathukuru-ini ma grade ya 10 makoro matari na kieha kuna riu akiugite ono matoro thukuru matari nginya na uniform. Oho ni agathiririe motungata maria marehetwo ni mutaratara wa ugima wa mwiri wa SHA.
Tamani kupitia hiyo talanta ya biashara ndio tunaendelea kutafuta vijana. Tumeanza na vijana 70 kutoka kila ward ya taifa la Kenya, na hao vijana tunawaambia watafute biashara. Tunawapatia 50,000 grant, sio loan, grant for free by the government of Kenya, ndio waanze biashara. Vijana 70 kila wodi katika taifa letu la Kenya wanapewa shilingi 50,000 ndio wafanye biashara, kwa sababu hapo ndio talanta yao iko. Hii elimu vile vile tumejenga 23,000 classrooms across Kenya. Tunajenga saa hizi 1,600 laboratories. Ndio wao wameenda grade 10 na wanataka laboratories wapate shule ziko na laboratories. Nataka nimalizie kwa kusema ya kwamba hatutakubali elimu yetu ipate matatizo. Na mmesikia wiki hii Mheshimiwa Rais amesema watoto wote ambao wamehitimu kwenda grade 10 waende shuleni. Wale wako na uniform waende shuleni. Wale hawana uniform waende shuleni. Wale wako na school fees waende shuleni. Wale hawana school fees waende shuleni. Hiyo mambo mengine yote tutazungumza watoto wetu wakisoma. Wale wakubomoa nimesikia pia wanataka wakimaliza kubomoa affordable housing watabomoa SHA. Hii program ya afya, munajua kabla ya 2022 hatukuwa na CHPs, community health promoters. Mwenye alileta program ya CHPs ambayo imeajiri wananchi zaidi ya 107,000, 107,000. Mwenye alileta ni Rais William Ruto. Sasa tuko na UHPs.
Tugitigana na icio atongoria a kiama kia ODM ni meyumiritie na gutugiria itua ria President William Ruto ria kwamura mutumia wa mutigaire Raila Odinga niwe Mama Ida Odinga gutungata tabaruthi wa bũrũri wa Kenya kuri ruhonge rwa guthaitira maria matugicirie urumwe-ini wa mabũrũri niyo UNEP na matongoretio ni mũmbunge wa Likoni niwe Mishi Boko makiugite Ida ni agirirwo ni wira ucio kuona ni mundu ungiuruta ari na wigirĩrĩki munene.
Mwenyezi Mungu asimame na wewe William Samoei Ruto kwa kuweka ahadi ambazo uliziweka baina yako wewe na baba. Na tunakupongeza kwa kumchukua Mama Ida Betty Odinga, kumpatia fursa ambayo itamjenga mwanamke katika Jamhuri ya Kenya. Tukitambua juhudi za mama mjane ambaye amesimama na wanawake katika Jamhuri ya Kenya. Mheshimiwa William Samoei Ruto, kitu ambacho umekifanya kinadhihirisha umoja wa kitaifa ambao haujawahi kushuhudiwa katika Jamhuri ya Kenya. Na sisi tukitoka jimbo la Kwale kama wanachama wa ODM haukupata kura mwaka wa 2022 Kwale County. Lakini tunakupatia ahadi yetu. Tutasimama na wewe kwa sababu umeamua kujenga nchi hii bila kuangalia kabila, rangi wala dini.
Tunasema tunamshukuru Dr. William Samoei Ruto kwa kumtambua mama, hususan mama mjane, kwa kumtambua mama na kumvisha pete. Tunasema ukimwenua mama umeenua jamii nzima. Kwa maana hiyo sisi kama Wakwale, haswa wanachungwa Wakwale, tunasema palipo na hisani lazima parudishwe hisani. Mheshimiwa Dr. William Ruto, asante sana na Mwenyezi Mungu akubariki, na tunakuahidi ya kwamba tutaendelea kufanya kazi katika serikali ya broad based kuhakikisha ya kwamba matunda zaidi tumeweza kuyapata hapa ndani ya Pwani na Kwale County kwa ujumla.
The ODM Coast Women League warmly and proudly congratulates Canon Dr. Ida Betty Odinga. Mama Ida has consistently stood firm against authoritarianism and injustice, defended freedom of expression, and advanced the rights and dignity of women and girls with clarity, courage, and grace. Her moral authority, intellectual depth, and lived commitment to public service make her exceptionally well suited to represent Kenya on the global stage. And that is why we say congratulations.
Tukitigana na icio gikundi kimwe kia atongoria a kiama kia ODM kuma kaunti ya Kakamega ni mokirire miario ire iriga kunyagio ni gavana wa kaunti yo niwe Fernandez Baraza ya tikurina kwaganirwo iteo utongore-ini wa kiama kia ODM na makiaria mari mwena wa Butere. Atongoria a kiama kiu ni morite mutongoria wa kiama kiu niwe Oburu Odinga ukurwa kiheo gitio kuona ate ari hau kunyitithania muingi.
Naona wengine wakipiga mromo huko, baba alituacha kwa government. Na baba pia akituacha na chairman Fernandez Baraza wa ODM Kakamega County. Sasa tunataka kusema hivi, kama tutaendelea kufanya kazi na government, tuseme baba alituacha government, ile kila kitu yenye baba aliwacha ikuwe kwa laini. Governor, hii maneno ya chairman usiongelee sana. Kila kitu ilifanyika vile ilifaa, ukachaguliwa kama chairman.
Wameacha kazi ya national government, wanakuja kufanya kazi ya county. Tuko pale, kazi haijatushinda. Kama mimi mtu wa Butere nimehakikisha hospitali imejengwa, barabara umesikia mheshimiwa ndio akisema barabara zimeanza kulimwa, mambo inaendelea. Na sasa nyinyi mnakuja kuchunga governor na mmeshindwa kuchunga president. Mimi ni mtu wa broad based, na kubali naunga broad based government arrangement tuko nayo. Lakini hataruhusu MPs hawataki tuongelee kazi yao ya CDF. Wako na mambo mengi sana wameficha kwa giza. Hiyo gunia wameweka kwa mgongo, wanatembea nao kaenda kwa president, sisi tusiangalie mambo wanafanya.
Sisi tunaheshimu party leader wetu Daktari Oburu Oginga, kwa sababu yeye ndio kiongozi ambaye hivi sasa ameshikilia chama as a person uniting the party. Na mimi najua tarehe 18 Mheshimiwa Oburu alikuwa amealikwa na gavana wetu mtangulizi pale Mabole kwa breakfast. Baada ya hiyo akakuja kwa mkutano wa ODM. Jana nimeona viongozi wanasema ya kwamba Oburu alinunuliwa ndiye aende kule Kakamega. I want to tell our leaders, please, let's have some respect for that old man. Oburu is our party leader. Na kama uko na mambo yoyote, please wait for an opportunity ya kuchagua party leader mwingine. Lakini hivi sasa sisi as the ODM Kakamega, we are supporting our party leader ambaye ni Daktari Oburu Oginga.
Ni gatho na hau twakinya jitikiria twabe tuhuruke oro hanini kana tuhumuke oro hanini ni tugucokereria na ripoti ingi.
Station ya TV Kihumo Kiawiti
Mwangaza wa Neno FM, shesheni ya redio ire kurehagira umemere kiuranire o muthenya wa redio kinyagia gatano. Tabarira cihotanĩire kwambĩrĩria rũcinĩ kinya hwainĩ thaa 11 kinya thaa 4 cia rũcinĩ. Nyitanagira Esther wa Mathenge the Kingdom Lady the wa Gĩthima rũcinĩ thaa nginya thaa 8 kanyitane na Wanjiko wa Kinyanjui Kanyaka Ndeto thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Riũa rĩa Wega. Thaa 10 kanyitanĩra na Celestine Waka the Favored One thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Shangwe. Ikinyeria thaa 10 ũkaingĩra kĩberereki thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Ngwatanĩro na Kamau wa Waithira mugatereva na kinyagia thaa 2 cia utuku na kwambĩrĩria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 5 cia utuku ukazan wa Ngoro the women rep thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ikũmbĩ rĩa Kĩgoco. Guru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving toekaine nĩ kũruta matereva a gĩkũrũ marĩ na ũigĩrĩrĩki mũnene barabara-inĩ. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving naga ũtereva wa ikĩro ciothe. Class A nĩ ũtereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class A ngari nini, Class C ũtereva wa marori na Class D ũtereva wa ngari cia ũkui wa mũingĩ. Ũrutani witũ wa ũtereva wa kũrũmanĩrĩra na mũtaratara mwerũ wa NTSA na warĩkia tũgagũteithĩrĩria kwĩgĩra na smart driving license. Nĩ ũndũ wa ũhoro makĩria ndũkamaĩrĩrie gũtũcerera wabici Rwesambu nyũmba-inĩ ya Jewel Complex Ngoroba ya gatano barabara-inĩ nene ya Thika Super Highway na TRM, kana ũtũhũrĩre thimũ kũgerera 0703 16403 0703 16403. Jewel Institute of Advanced Drive with Confidence. Mũtũrĩre ũrĩa tũratũra nĩ gĩko na mathĩna maingĩ.
Maũndũ macio mekuo no ti mega kũringana na kiugo kĩa Ngai ti mega. Tondũ kiugo kĩa Ngai kiugaga atĩrĩrĩ, maũndũ marĩa mothe mekagĩrwo nduma-inĩ ĩrĩa nene mũthenya ũmwe nĩ marĩguũrio na maigwo gacũmbĩrĩ andũ othe merore. Nake mũndũ arĩoigire nyũmba ya usiri ni nyũmba mbaya. Yeah.
Ni nyũmba tena gĩkeno.
Ndĩna gĩkeno.
Ũkaigua hau gatagiarĩ ngiri igĩrĩ peke yake. Rĩu akorwo nginya nĩ akinya nĩ gũtiga wĩra na nĩ kũhoya arahoya fĩa ya kũinũka.
Tabarĩra-inĩ cararũkũ woka nĩ maũndũ ma mũciĩ tukahithũrania kĩrĩa kĩrarĩa kĩngĩ.
No mũhaka tũmĩarie. No mũhaka thuri metĩkĩre ũguo atĩ ũndũ wa maũndũ marĩa matũmaga mũtumia aigue ndetwo nĩ mũthuri wake rĩ to gũtĩkĩrwo kĩa ona gũthikĩrĩrio. Na nĩguo na uge
tarĩ korwo nĩ ndoi
cararũkũ ũkĩreherwo nĩ Wanjiru wa Waithaka mwambĩrĩrio kwambĩrĩria thaa 2 cia hwaĩ-inĩ.
Iyo nĩ ceceni ya Kiheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Nĩ ngatho gũtuika twacokereria thĩinĩ wa ikereka ritũ rĩa kerĩ na rĩa mũthia. Na gavana wa kaunti ya Narok Patrick Ole Ntutu nĩ acokerie ngatho agithia kuma nja wa bũrũri arĩa makoragwo maigithĩtie thĩinĩ wa rũnyanjara rwa Masai Mara hamwe na ũnyitanĩri mwega na mũingĩ wa mwena ũcio. Arĩtie hĩndĩ ya kũhurũkia Chifu Toipoika Kararei ũrĩa warĩ ũmwe wa kũramata marĩa matũrigicĩirie, na kũringana na Ntutu akiugĩte nĩ mũndũ gũtũra ũririkanĩtwo nĩ wĩrutĩri wake.
I've also seen a number of you here. I want to congratulate you for always being with the community. This is the way to go. This is the tradition. This is the African and sovereign. It's when you come when we are having a problem like this one, it shows that you are with the community. I sincerely want to thank Rich Carlton. I've seen the two of you. I've also seen a number of you from SOPA and other hoteliers that I've seen here, even your contribution towards the funeral of our chief. I want to thank you sincerely as a leader of these people, that we recognize you and we love you and we know you have always been supporting us, not just in funeral, but also in education, water, and any other development. I can assure you, when I sit there and when I saw you, I knew that you are doing something for the community, and be part of us, because we will also be part of you as we continue this journey of development, and also making sure that we are together in all this, whether we are having tourists, whether we are, we are just celebrating other celebration like opening of schools or even opening of roads. We sincerely want to thank you for being part and parcel of us. Continue with that good spirit. There is also what they call corporate social responsibility, and I think that's part of what we are trying to do here.
Na tukirika cigie thuguri ni ati ministry ya wonjoria ni uritie makambuni kuriha igoti iria VAT na kugana minister Lee Kinyanjui akiugite ungani uyu ni uguteithiriria kungania makiria mashiringi bilioni 400 iria thirikari iteaga o mwaka kumana na andu kwa kuriha igoti iria VAT uria kwagiriire.
The EPZA, I think we are all aware that in the last maybe 3-4 months there's been a lot of challenge around the AGOA question. We are happy that the US is currently reviewing on the final stage the AGOA, and we believe that it will be passed so that we can have another maybe 3 years. The proposal was 3 years, but you never know with debates in any legislative assembly, but we hope that we can get the 3 years so that we can bring the necessary confidence for our industries to be able to thrive and to create the necessary jobs here. I am happy to note that in the last maybe 1 year or so, the net movement in terms of industries within the region has been largely into Kenya, especially in the EPZA. And therefore what we need to do is to see how we can expand the infrastructure. So come and do a setup or an industry or a factory. All the ones we know in Nairobi, many of them have been there for 30 years, for 40 years. So that's how we create long-term jobs. And I really want to plead with all of us through the export window. We try and see how we can double our numbers, how we can make sure that it is working. And I must say that I think for the first time, in terms of government listening to investors and the investor challenges, there has been no greater window than what we are currently having. We have sat with the exporters, and one of the issues they have cited is that there are long delays in refunds to VAT, and has become a major bottleneck. That affects the EPZA, the SEZ, our farming export community. And arising from that, we are currently working on our business amendment laws that should be getting to Parliament by February when they get back.
Na hatiri undugi no hau niho tuko tugikirira agaturumu muhoro maitu ma ithariri ni ngatho cia mwanya nyitaniri waku na gutwihokera mathaa maku na kuri jeshi yako ya nguvu iria atigirira muhoro mani maukena njira igwete nijitagwo irimu wa Wanjiru tuguteithanagia umemereke uyu na mundu gwitwo Wambui Wagaku aikamwe na Ngai maro kugitira utukwa muthi uroko matakana ni gwendete no nake Ngai ai kwenda ona makiria.